목통 행기.
What is nature aquarium style? I'm not sure if I fully have an understanding of it yet to answer that. This is a dodgy aquarium stand that I quickly made that could hopefully hold up to a 60 centimeter aquarium. In this build, we'll be using it to support a tiny 30 by 18 by 24 centimeter ADA cube garden. That's about 12 inches by 7 inches by 9 in freedom units. I hope to create an island style layout with wood, lava stone, and low-tech plants. A blend of classic nature style elements. For the light, I'll be using an Aquaworx Orion Nano LED. I start by assembling some wooden plants outside of the tank. Small aquariums can be difficult to work inside of when creating layouts. To attach the epiphytes, I tie them with a cotton thread that I'll later remove. I then add Terra tape to areas where I plan to grow moss above the waterline. Now I need to run the inflow and outflow pipes, as well as cut them to size.
This is not okay.
From here it's just drag and drop. I begin by adding a base layer of lava rock. This is also the time to put in your substrate additives such as fertilizers or charcoal. I now make a barrier for the aquasoil. While doing so, I keep in mind the size, shape, and best faces of the rocks. Once I'm done adding more stones in the back, I then go to work on the filtration. Next, I continue adding more plants and improving the layout with details. I pour the aquasoil and add stem plants towards the end, as I find it to be a bit easier. I trimmed the leaves off the cryptocoryne lucens to prevent melting. Now comes the final background plants. And this one's for you, Felipe Oliveira. I'll add the sand at the end. My attempt at a classic nature aquarium.